stands for social distance, M stands for mask, and S stands for soap. That is, maintain social distance, always use mask, and use sanitizer, and use Dettol hand wash. Regularly how to wash the hands. Okay, whenever you will be at home or whenever you will coming from outside. So maintain these all three, then we will be safe. Now come to the class. Welcome to the class. Now open your textbook and classroom. So what we studied in the previous session, that forms, even positive integer is in which form or positive integer is in which form, that we have to learn. Now in this session, square and cube. If you square any positive integer, in which form it will be? If you cube it, in which form it will be? That we will be studying. Okay. Now show that the square of any positive integer is in the form of, show that, example 3 I am saying, show that, listen here children, this R.D. Sharma book is very important. From this only extra problems will be there. From this only you will get in the examination also. So models I will explain, and the same model sums I will give for homework. Okay, that's why I am explaining one model. That is, show that the square of, question also I am writing. Please see here. Show that square of any positive integer is in the form of of 3m or 3m plus 1 if some integer is m. If some integer is m. You can, in a previous sum we took q, here m. Any alphabet you can take, no problem. Q stands for quotient only, M stands for quotient only. Okay, no problem. Now, here 3m. 3 means square of any positive integer. If you square any positive integer, that should be in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. That you have to show. So, here we are taking two cases, means case 1, case 2, like that we will solve. That is easy for you. Now, in case 1, no solution. Case 1, this is case 1. Case 1, A is equal to 3Q. Why we are taking Q again? Here M is given, no. In question, whatever alphabet is given. But we are using the division algorithm, no, Euclid division algorithm. In Euclid division algorithm, the statement is A is equal to PQ plus R. So compulsory we have to use Q only. Here in question they can give any alphabet, no problem. But we have to convert that alphabet into Q only. Okay. Now, so in first case we have to take A is equal to 3Q. Now, what is the question? You have to square any positive integer. So we are to squaring on both sides. Okay, if you square it, what you will get? A square is equal to 3q whole square. 3q whole square is nothing but 3 square and q square. That is 9q square. 9q square, how can you write? How can you write, ma? That implies 9q square you can write. If you are not understood, one by one I will write down only. Now, here 9q square you will get. Okay, this 9q square you can write 3 of 3q square. 3 of 3q square. Where? Why we are writing like that? I will explain. Where 3q square is equal to m. every positive integer is in the form. So we are taking a is equal to 3q. So 3q square is given, that's why we are squaring on both sides. So 9q square, but here we are not using remainder. In square, even positive integer, odd positive integer, how we did a is equal to 3q, big Q plus r. R value we are taking as 0, 1, 2 like that, no. But here no need. For cubing and for squaring, no need that. Okay, so squaring on both sides you are getting like this. Then here why we simplified means we have to get in the form of 3m. So that will be, that implies 3m. So 3m is the square form of any positive integer. Okay, now next one, a is equal to, next form is what? A is equal to 3q plus 1, 3m plus 1. In place of m, I am taking q. Now, again square only, no? Square. So, a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Now, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is a, this is b. A plus b whole square form. So, what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So, a square means 3q whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a value 3q into b value 1 plus b square 1 square. Now, 3q square is nothing but 9q square plus 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 into 1, 6q plus 1 square is 1. Okay, again this, how can we take the common and how we have to get in the form of this? That is, in this what is a common? What is a common? 3 is a common. Okay, so 3 is a common. You can take 3 and q. If you take common, then what you will get? 3q plus what? 3q into 3q, 9q square. Then from 6q, 3q will be come out means what will be left here? 2. 2 will be left plus 1. Understood? In these 2 only we are taking common. Why? Because m value we have to get. So here what is m value? What is m value here? 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 is the m value. So, see, 3q plus 2. So, that is a value here 3q plus 1 is 3m plus 1 it become. Okay. Why? Because but here we have to show 3m plus 1 no. So what is the m value? 3 here, this full is m value. Where m is equal to q of 3q plus 2. Where m is the q of 3q plus 2. That is m value. Now 3m. Otherwise you can take only 3 is the common. Like that also you can take, no problem. So 3 only you can take means 3q square plus 2 you will get. Okay. Otherwise one more also is there. That is if you apply 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 as a value and square it. Then also you will get 3m plus 1. Here also you will get 3m plus 1. So if you take case 3 like that, suppose this only m value. Okay. Now in case 3, this is case 1, this is case 2, this is case 2. In case 3, suppose here product of two terms we are getting. So we have to make it a one term, means we have to take third case. Let A is equal to 3q plus 2. A value 3q plus 2 if you take, then squaring on both sides, A square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Then what you will get? Again it is in the form of A plus B whole square, no? So what you will get now? 9q square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 whole square. That is 9q square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, q plus 4. Now in this what we can take common? In this we can't take common. So what we can do? We can divide this one. That is 9q square plus 12q plus 1 we have to get now. So this 4 we can write it as 3 plus 1. Okay. Now in this you can take common. What we can take common? 3 you can take common. No. Okay. 3 if you take common, then what you will get? If you take 3 here, here and here, then you are getting 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Now m is equal to where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Now it is in the form of 3m plus 1. 3m plus 1. This I think you are confusing. Once again I will explain. See, this is clear now. So up to here m value q of 3q plus 2 we got now. So m of 3q means product of two numbers we are getting. So we won't get like that. Only one number like this. Any one term only you should get. Here two terms we are getting. So that's why again what we did, this we can take it as a value. Now a is equal to this, again square we did, then we'll solve it, then only m value we are getting as a full one term only. Okay. So 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Q of we are not getting the product like that. The product of something we didn't get. Only full term we get. So like this we can do. So every square of positive integer can be expressed as 3m plus 3m or 3m plus 1. Now q. Same, show that cube of positive integer is in the form of 9m. Show that cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m. 9m plus 1, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 or 9m plus 8, where m is a positive integer. Is a positive integer or m is an integer. So this is the question. Now in the previous square means squaring we did. Here cube we have to do. Now case 1 will take. Case 1, a is equal to what we can take? A is equal to 3q. Okay. Why we are taking 3q? Here 9m, no? 9m only you will get. See, I will explain. Now cubic on both sides. A cube is equal to 3q whole cube. That is a cube is equal to 3q whole cube means 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. 27q cube. This 27q cube, how can we simplify it? We want 9m, no? So 9 you can take common. 9 if you take common, then what will be left inside? 3 cube. Now this 3 cube is a m, where m is equal to 3 cube. So 9m. Now understood? 9m. First form we proved. Now second form. Case 2. Case 2. A is equal to 3 cube plus 1. A is equal to 3 cube plus 1. That is again cubic on both sides. 3 cube plus 1. Now a cube is equal to, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now you have to open. 3 cube means a cube. 3 cube whole cube plus 3a square b. 3a square means this one. 3 cube whole square into b plus 3ab square. 3 into a into b square, 1 square, plus b cube, 1 cube. That equal to 3 cube. 3 cube whole cube means 27 cube plus 3 square whole square. 3 cube whole square means 9. 3 square means 9. 9 into 3, 27 cube square. Plus into 1 means that only you will get. Here 3 3s are 9. 9 into 1, 9. 9 cube plus 1. Now, which form you have to take? 9m plus 1 form you have to get. Now, leave this plus 1 separate only. Now, in these 3, what is the common? 27, 27, 9. So, 9 table you can take as common. 9 table if you take common, 9. Again, what we can take common? 9 you can take common. What will be left now? When 3 cube plus in 9 table 3 cube square plus 1 plus 1. Where m is equal to this one full you can take. Where m is equal to 3 cube plus 3 cube square plus 1. Then in place of this you can substitute m. Now 9m plus 1 we got now. That is 9m plus 1. Okay, second case over. Now third case. Now case 3. Case 3. A is equal to 3 cube plus 2. Again cube it. A cube is equal to 3 cube plus 2 whole cube. Again it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. That is 3 cube whole cube plus 3 square b, 3a square b, that is 3 into 3 cube whole square into 2 plus 3 into 3 cube into 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 cube. That equal to 3 cube whole cube means 27 cube plus 3 square means 9. 9 3s are 27. Again 27 into 2 we have to multiply, no? 27 2s are 54. 54 cube square plus here 3 3s are 9. 2 square means 4. 9 4s are 36 cube plus 2 cube means 8. Now this one we have to change in this form. Okay. Now 8 will be separate only. Plus 8. Why? Because plus 8 is there, no? So in this we have to take common. What we can take common? Suppose 9 we can take common. What will be left now? 3 cube. Now see, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now 3 cube whole cube means 27 cube plus 3 square means 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54 cube square plus 3 3s are 9. 2 square means 4. 9 4s are 36 cube plus 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now, here we have to get 3m plus 8 form. That is 9m plus 8 form. So, plus 8 is there, that you can take it separate. Now, in these three terms, what is a common? 9 you can take common means 9 of 3q cube plus 9 6 are 54. 54 means 9. That is 9 with 2 common now. So from 27, 9 will be come out means 3 will be left. Similarly 56. 9 will come out means 6 will be left. Then 36. That is 4 will be left. 4 cube plus 8. Now this full will be m. Where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. This is m value. Okay, that will be that will be 9m plus 8. This is 9, this is m value plus 8. So cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, so in this here, once you see this one now, in place of q, I wrote 1. That is not 1. Why? Because from 9 to 9 come out means q will be left now. So here q, not 1. So this 3q cube plus 3q square plus q is the m value. Then in place of this, if you substitute m, 9m plus 1. Okay. Now, is it clear? Square form and cube form. Now your homework. Homework exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Already you did first and second, no? Now third, fourth and fifth. Fifth I will explain. Third and fourth you can do. Third and fourth problems. Okay? Already I explained that third and fourth with examples. By that only see that one and do this. Thank you.